Hi guys, you probably know I have quite a few solar wobblers or rockers or whatever you want to call them. I have quite a few videos about them and I get quite a few questions from people who are having trouble getting them to work. Now it's usually because they're broken inside in some way or other. But I've just come across something that is so obvious that I completely missed it. And I'll demonstrate here. It's late evening, so it's only ambient light we've got no direct sunlight, so some of these are rocking and some of them aren't. This one, good example, working fine. It's just sitting up here out the way. Now I wanted to set up a little demonstration for something completely different. I had this jam jar with a metal lid. Right, this one's working. Put it there. Stops or struggles, and the reason or the problem is so obvious it took me quite a while to realise what was going on. It's a metal lid. The magnet in there is attracted to the metal lid. It can't rock. Take it off. Yeah, I'm going to go again. Yeah, it's going to take a few seconds to build up its speed again. There we go. So low ambient light, it's rocking. Put it on a metal surface, it can't go. So I just thought I'd do a very short video on that to demonstrate. If you've got a metal window ledge or something like that and you've put it out there and you think you can get nice sunshine and it's going to go, if it's a ferrous type of metal, then it's going to cause a problem. You might even possibly have nails nailing your wooden windowsill down or something like that, and if you happen to put it right on top of the nail, it's going to have the same problem. So there we go. When you're positioning your solar rocker, if it's too close to something metal, it's not going to go. Just a thought. How about something like that right next to it? Is that going to be close enough to have a problem? It looks all right there because it's far enough away. But on top of there, clearly struggling. Steel ruler. It's quite simple. The magnet is being attracted to it. Move it away. Yeah, there we go. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.